Hey, what's up, class? This is Martin Tellez, and I am here to do a mission activity for one of Jupiter's moons. And the moon that I chose was Io. It's the most volcanically active spot in the solar system, so I thought that was pretty interesting. This here is Prometheus. It is one of the volcanoes that's there, and this is the NASA website. Um, Next, I will show you if it can work. Let's see here. Here we go. There's the Thor, there's Amarani, there's the Tupan Patera, the Kulan. The distance from Earth is constantly changing depending on where it's at in the solar system. Um, the distance from Jupiter, it's 262,434 miles. And the reason I again wanted to do this was just because it has volcanoes, and I thought it was very interesting that there's a moon out there that has active volcanoes. So thank you for watching this mission activity, and I will see you on the next mission.